Okay. Anyway, okay, so we're here. We've got a shape. We've got an answer to this question. And I now want to do this problem. Well, let's put it this way. I wanted to do this problem by a different method. I think I'll take the time to do it. So I want to do this problem by a slightly different method here. So here's example 2 by implicit differentiation. So the same example, but now I'm going to do it by implicit differentiation. And I'll tell you the advantages and the disadvantages to this method here. So the situation is you have to start the same way. So here is the starting place of the problem. All right? And we're aiming, the goal was the minimum of A with V constant. So this was the situation that we were in. And now what I want to do is just differentiate. All right? The function y is implicitly a function of x, so I can differentiate the first expression. And that yields 0 is equal to 2xy plus x squared y prime. Right? So this is giving me my implicit formula for y prime. So y prime is equal to minus 2xy divided by x squared, or in other words, minus 2y divided by x. And then I also have the derivative of a with respect to x. Now, you may notice I'm not using primes quite as much because all of the variables are varying, and so here I'm emphasizing that the differentiation is with respect to the variable x. And this becomes 2x plus 4y plus 4x y prime. So again, this is using the product rule. And now I can plug in for what y prime is, which is right above it. So this is 2x plus 4y plus 4x times minus 2y over x. Okay? And that's equal to 0. And so let's gather that together. So what do we have? We have 2x plus 4y, and then altogether this is 8 minus 8y equals 0. So that's the same thing as 2x is equal to 4y. Right? The minus 4y goes to the other side. And so x over y is equal to 2. So this, I claim, well, so you have to decide for yourself, but I claim that this is faster. All right? It's faster, and also it gets to the heart of the matter, which is the scale invariant proportions, which is basically also nicer. So it gets to the nicer answer also. So those are the advantages that this has. So it's faster, and it gets to this, I'm going to call it nicer. And the disadvantage is did not check whether this critical point is a max, min, or neither. Okay, so we didn't quite finish the problem, but we got to the answer very fast.